Okay, now we're going to show you how to install our digital handle. First, we need to identify your panel, which part is inside. Here we can see this part is on the outside. So we're going to install the outside handle. Here we have two kinds of handle. As we can see, this one is for outside because it has a fingerprint. This one don't have, so this one is for inside. So we take this handle. This is how it looks like. So first we need to adjust this handle. Here has a hole. We use a screwdriver to screw it. Okay. This is how it looks like. And then we need to turn the handle this way. And then we screw it back. Okay, so now it can be used and installed. Then we take this one. Here has a button. And then we install it. Use the finger to push, and then lock. Now it cannot move. But as you can see, we have a small arrow here. Okay, can you see that? Here has a small arrow. This arrow, you need to turn it to face to the handle. It should be on the same way, okay? This is the most important part. This small arrow is to face your handle, okay? After all this preparation, we take one of this rubber and place it here, rubber here. And then we take this one. And we'll take the other one. Okay, after this, we install the handle. Okay, this is how we install the outside handle. Okay, and then we turn. Place to here. Okay. Okay, now we turn to inside part. So this is inside. Okay. Now this is inside. Now we are going to install this handle here. First, unscrew this one. And then install the handle like this. And then screw it back. Okay. After that, of course, we place the rubber here. This is how we place this rubber. And then we connect this one to the outside handle. Once we connect, you can hear a sound, okay? Before we connect, we need to combine this rubber to our digital lock. As you can see, there's many holes here, okay? So we connect this. This way, and then we place it here. And connect them. Okay. And done here. Now we do the test. Here is outside, and this is inside, okay? But now, we cannot open the door, right? But when you're inside, you can open it. Okay. So we can use your fingerprint.
0,
Now,
unlocked.
we can open,
Locked.
lock, and now, or you can use our passcode. On the menu, you can see the original passcode is 123456. Okay? We put and push here.